The heart. The human heart is a conical, muscular pumping organ about the size of one's fist. It is situated obliquely a little towards the left in the thoracic cavity between the lungs. It is enclosed in a double-layered sac known as pericardium. Fluid between the layers, called pericardial fluid, protects the heart from mechanical shocks and friction. The heart is a pump which sends blood through arteries. It is divided into two halves, the right side and left side, by a thick muscular wall called septum. Each half has two chambers, the auricles or atria and ventricles. Auricles are chambers at the top with comparatively thinner walls. Ventricles are the chambers that lie below the auricles and have thick muscular walls. Blood can move from the right side to the left side of the heart only by passing through the lungs. The aorta is an artery which originates from the left ventricle and carries oxygenated blood to all parts of the body. The pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Two veins, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, bring deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body to the right auricle. The pulmonary vein brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left auricle. The heart has four valves. Tricuspid valve is present between the right auricle and right ventricle. Bicuspid valve or mitral valve is present between the left auricle and the left ventricle. Two semilunar valves are present, one at the entrance of the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery called the pulmonary valve, the other at the entrance from the left ventricle to the aorta called the aortic valve. Note that blood vessels entering the heart are veins and the ones leaving the heart are arteries. The left side of the heart always contains oxygenated blood because it receives blood fresh from the lungs and pumps it to the body. The right side always contains deoxygenated blood because it receives it from the body. You can memorize this by the word lard. Left oxygenated, right deoxygenated. Now we shall see the differences between arteries and veins. In case of arteries, blood flows away from the heart. In case of veins, blood flows towards the heart. Arteries possess thick elastic walls. Veins possess thin, not very elastic walls. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Arteries do not possess valves except in the aorta. Veins have valves to prevent backflow of blood. Arteries are deeper in the flesh than veins. Veins are nearer the surface of the skin than arteries. Pulse is detectable in arteries. Pulse is usually not detectable in veins. Arteries have narrow lumen, whereas veins have wider lumen. The heart is made up of strong cardiac muscles. The chambers of the heart contract and relax rhythmically. This creates the pressure required to maintain the flow of blood throughout the body. The contraction of the heart muscles is called systole and the relaxation of the heart muscles is called diastole. Functioning of the heart. There are two main phases of cardiac cycle: atrial systole, ventricular systole.